locally known as Usang. Okay? Just like our top of friend, he is this night looking for his school. And his eyesight is also excellent in the dark. But his specialty is his very sensitive sense of smell. Okay, so guys, we're going to play a little bit. So I have three bamboo cups right here, and I will place the three under one of these bamboo cups. And Larry's job is to spit it out, and he will going to show us that small truth by flipping a bamboo cup over using his wall. Now let's start. So we have one, two, and three. Trainer Paul, can I have some please? Okay, so you have an idea of the favorite. So first, under the cup, number two. Okay, Larry? Whenever you're ready, go find the tree. Walk in, walking around, sniffing, and wow! We found it! Great job! But that is so easy, right? This time you decide. So where do you want me to place this another tree? Under bamboo cup 1 or 3? That's 3. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, Larry, one more time. Walk around. Sniffing.